Terrigal. Hi friends, I'm Raj from Sydney. So this weekend I'm going to Terrigal coastal town. It's in Central Coast in Sydney on the Pacific Ocean. So now you are looking at the boardwalk. This beach is ideal for surfing. You can learn to surf. There are two academy here to teach you surfing. And the beach has got two sides. This is the second part I'm showing you. The one is the other side. Okay. Okay, Wilson Car Park on Wilson Road. It's a free car park. You can park here. They have three levels and then walk to the beach. One beach is just on the Esplanade, just facing the Esplanade. That's good for the kids and the toilets and the small park between the roads. It's a good play area for the kids and for the adults as well. And the other one is other beach with the boat ramp, bit deep. So the Esplanade starts here. There are a lot of restaurants and bars, pizza, all you get, and this is the first beach. And if you keep walking on the right, then you go to the next beach. On the right side there is another beach. So this is the first one. So the boardwalk, there is a boardwalk on the right side here. Just cross the boardwalk, then you go to the next beach here. So there are two beaches. So from the right side beach and the boat ramp, you can, if you keep walking, you go to the Skillion Lookout. So that's what I'm going to do here. So the first beach and the second beach here and boardwalk. Then second beach. Then I'm going to this Skillion Lookout. Just from the coast here, in 32 meters, the coast here, 32 meters, there is a wrecked warship. So the divers usually they go there. So if you're a diver, you can go there. The shops here, they have the outdoor seating, and it's very vibrant esplanade. I enjoyed when walking on this boardwalk. In Central Coast, there are four other beaches: Wai Beach, Avoca Beach, Etalong Beach, and Gosford. It's all good. It's all in the Central Coast. So it's good to see places. So the view is wonderful. This is the first beach you reach after the car park. This is the first one. There are few seating arrangements, shops, and can you see the brick building? They are just opposite to me. That's the toilet. So from the car park, Wilson Car Park, I'm driving to the Skillion Lookout. Between the Skillion Lookout and the second beach, there is a car park. So I'm going there to park my car. From there, I am walking to the Skillion Lookout. Parking shouldn't be a problem, plenty of parking. Now I have reached the Skillion Lookout, and there is a big opal in the middle. So now I am walking on the Skillion Lookout. I'm walking up. So you can see the view of the Terrigal from here. It's very, very beautiful. If you're living in Sydney, do not miss this place. Visit when you can, visit in the summer. Now I am on the top of the lookout. between May and November, you can see the humpback whales from here if you're lucky. It's a cricket playground. It's a wonderful location. After playing in the beach, there is a fresh water available on the beach, so you can just get rid of the salt. On the hot day, if you come here, your time will pass very quickly. So you can see the first beach opposite to the Esplanade, and this is the second one. This is the Skilian Lookout. See the view from here, the Skilian Lookout. Wherever you live in Sydney, it doesn't matter you're living in Liverpool, Blacktown, or eastern suburbs, or Penrith. To go to this place, it shouldn't be taking more than 1.5 hours, between 1.5 hours to 2 hours. If you're living Blacktown area or the Penrith, it's a bit faster than the Liverpool side. In some beaches, the parking is very expensive, but in some beaches, it's very reasonably priced. Of course, you get the facilities for that price. Yes. There is a lagoon in Terrigal. So if you bring your stand-up paddle board, you can use in that lagoon. But check the water quality. When it rains, it's a bit muddy. So check the quality on the website. If you have a sea kayak, you can use it here. This is one of the famous beach. So most of the time on the beach, you will see lifeguard. And just if you don't know, I want to say they put two flags. So you be between the two flags, you are safe. So on the way back, I was staying in a Muni Bridge. There's a rest area, Hawkesbury rest area. So there are two sides, the Hawkesbury rest area on the northbound and the southbound. So I was staying on the northbound. This is the one, northbound. You are looking at the boat ramp here. So if you bring your own boat, you can take it into the water. It looks like a opal, so a lot of car park here. You can rest for a few hours and then drive back to your destination. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. If you have any question, leave it in the comment. I will reply. See you in the next video.